Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more water to your water tank of Proscenic M6 Pro. So first of all, make sure that you've exchanged your dust collector to the 2-in-1 water tank and dust collector. It's the darker version of the dust collector located in the box. So it looks something like this. Let me actually lift it. So it looks something like this. It's the darker version, and here's our normal one. So now, in order to add some water, we'll need to open this tank right here. Simply put your finger in the gap right here and pull it towards you. So now our water tank opens, and here in this hole we can actually pour in some water. Now close it after pouring some water, and it's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.